ready for our trip?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go on an airplane.
We're not gonna jump.
Nope, we're not gonna jump. We're gonna sit there and go slow.
Yeah.
Real slow, right?
Because we're gonna go down.
Yeah. Brings us up and then it brings us back down.
Then we go at the beach.
And then we go to the beach.
But we went to the beach earlier because we didn't went on an airplane.
Yeah. That's okay. So we're heading into Boston. We're gonna be taking the Logan Airport out. We are flying JetBlue. I'm excited. Our first stop is gonna be Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and then from Florida we're going to Puerto Rico. I'm excited. Now I gotta go check in my bag. I don't even know what you guys are looking at. Got it, baby?
Boarding passes, we just need to check bags. So that's straight ahead. Okay, so you want to just get the tag printed from the kiosk first.
Okay, we've made it through security.
Are you okay back here?
Yeah, we made it through security finally. Now we're on our way to the gate. What are you doing? We got a tuna melt, some mac and cheese. And now Ella's dancing. Yep.
Come on, baby. Come on.
How are we going here?
Getting on the plane, honey.
See the airplane right there? See it? We're going to go get on.
Yeah.
Well, you'll see it in a second, honey.
Oh, back you. Big one.
Yeah.
There is. I thought it was cool. Look out here.
You're getting on the plane. You sure you're okay over there?
Yep.
Is that gonna be
Watch your step.
Yeah.
And we go to sleep on here and then we wake up when we're there. Or the next plane. Look at me, baby.
We can go to the beach?
Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
After we take a nap?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to take a nap. And then tomorrow we're going to the beach. Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm chilly too, baby.
Yeah.
If you have coats and jackets, please hold on to them unless you can place them on top of your larger bag in the bin. We need that space for bags only at this time. Once again, if you have your 2 allowed bags, your smaller bag has to go underneath the seat in front of you, only larger bags into the overhead. They need to go in lengthwise with the handle out or both out facing you. And again, if there's somebody standing behind you, please let them pass. This will help expedite the boarding process. Good evening, welcome aboard.
Let's keep going.
Go, 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 baby. Alright, 24. Okay.
You okay over there?
Yeah.
Oh, for the sliding.
Okay, so this needs to go.
Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, I'll take it.
There's TVs out here, right?
Yep.
To watch.
Mom, does it go up in front of you or?
I'm in front of you.
I'm right now. I'm F. I'm on the window. No rush. I gotta get all this going.
Baby, I'll get you, honey. Give me a second, please.
Actually, the buckle opens. I'm gonna be sick before there's no buckle on my belly.
That bag takes so much room off. I don't know how.
Okay, Are you ready for the trip? I can't wait. This will be over. How many people are there?
She's gonna switch seats with us. Gotta say bye to Daddy.
Yeah, Casper, they're having a DJ tomorrow night.
Bye, Daddy.
Yeah, they're good.
We're on the airplane.
I tried saying bye to T and I started crying.
My buddy from New York was diving by me. He saw my but he only died for 1 o'clock.
I'll be sick.
No. Let go.
Sorry, sorry. Computer.
Where's he go out? Like a marina.
I'm gonna sit here, but I'm gonna see if I can sit there.
It's tied. Hang on.
Once again, good evening to those just joining us. This is JetBlue Airways with service to Fort Lauderdale. We have a full flight tonight, so if you brought on 2 carry-on items, your smaller bag has to go underneath the seat in front of you. Larger bags in the overhead only with the wheels in or wheels out. If you have coats and jackets, please hold on to them unless you can place them on top of your larger bag. We've got space in the overhead for bags only at this time. If there's somebody standing behind you, please let them pass and we'll help expedite the boarding process. Good evening and welcome aboard.
You just saw us together. Oh no, I ain't getting on this plane alone.
I guess I have no buckle on my belly.
Just get a cooler. Go buy some
I have no buckle on my belly.
Go to Franken's Bakery for food.
You don't have to here, puppy. You don't need your car seat in the plane.
Of course.
You're safe, baby. You think I put you someplace not safe? Excited?
I'm just gonna get scared.
Florida. From here, we gotta catch another gate. It's gonna bring us to Puerto Rico. It's gonna be a long night. Alright, it is 3:30 in the morning, but we made it. We're exhausted. We're ready to get on a shuttle and head home. Alright guys, we have, we have officially made it. I don't even know if you guys can see me at all, but this is the gorgeous, gorgeous house. There's a fence at the moment, but beautiful front entrance. And then this is one of the best parts. And I'm hoping you can kind of maybe see how gorgeous it is, but we're on top of a mountain. Woo! I just got the chills. It's 4:30 in the morning. Can you guys hear the roosters? Ella's in the car at the moment. Ooh. Okay. I'm just gonna start bringing my stuff in. Alright, we're looking for creepy crawlies because might not look like they're here, but they're always here. Okay, you guys. So I need to find some clothes to change into, but I am utterly exhausted. We've done nothing. I had work today and we've done nothing but traveling. So Ella's in the other room with my mom at the moment. So I am going to find myself just something quick for all my stuff. We're gonna do a lot of unpacking and grocery shopping and all that stuff. all in my other bag. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. But that concludes Puerto Rico, day number 1.